Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, July 11th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin. Mainly dry and slightly more comfortable today before humidity and storms come back for Sunday. Heat and humidity will stick with us through the work week ahead, while rain will be hard to find. We'll get to that in just a moment. Radar at 1 a.m. this morning shows a clean sweep across central Alabama with the normal clutter we see close in to the radar site. Temperatures were in the 70s across the area at this time. Birmingham was at 78 degrees. The warm spots were Montgomery, Pell City, and Prattville, all at 79 degrees. The cool spot was Haleyville at 72 degrees. Lows are expected to drop to the middle 60s to the middle 70s across the area by daybreak. Rainfall amounts through the forecast period ending at 1 a.m. next Saturday morning keeps totals around 1/4 to 1/2 inch across the area as an average, but some locations who get caught under a heavier storm, especially on Sunday, could see higher totals. Now let's dive into the forecast as we'll start off with the 0Z run of the GFS valid today at 4 p.m. We'll have a northwesterly flow across central Alabama on Saturday, which will allow the humidity levels to drop slightly due to drier continental air. We'll have plenty of sunshine across the area and no measurable rain is expected throughout the day. Afternoon highs will max out in the lower to mid 90s, but the heat index values will stay below advisory criteria. All of central Alabama is under a level 1 marginal risk for severe storms on Sunday, as that helpful northwest flow will send a shortwave trough in our direction. Moisture-rich and unstable air will be brought into the area by a southwesterly flow at the lower levels, providing the ingredients for thunderstorm development, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. The main threats from the stronger to possibly severe storms will be from damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Timing looks to be from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. for the potential of stronger to severe storms. Not everyone will see rain as they will be scattered in nature, and rain chances will only be around 40 to 60% from northwest to southeast. Highs will be in the lower to mid 90s. The trough will get hung up south of the area that will allow for the potential for scattered showers and storms for the southern parts of central Alabama on Monday, but the northern 2/3 of the area will remain dry throughout the day. Highs will be in the lower 90s across the area. Nearly the same story on Tuesday, as the southern parts of the area will remain in a little more unstable air, but rain chances will be slim at best. The rest of central Alabama will remain dry and hot. Highs will reach the lower to mid 90s. Wednesday and Thursday will be even hotter as a ridge will build into the area from the southern plains. There will be just enough deep moisture that an isolated shower or two will be possible during the afternoon hours, but nearly everyone will stay dry on both days. Temperatures and humidity levels may be high enough that heat advisories may be needed. Highs on both days will be in the mid to upper 90s. Just a little more moisture is allowed to move into central Alabama on Friday that will help bring the temperatures down by a couple of degrees and will give us a small increase in the scattered afternoon shower and storm chance. Highs will be in the lower to mid 90s. At 11 p.m. on Friday night, Tropical Storm Faye was continuing her northward trek across New Jersey while weakening. Winds were at 40 miles per hour and the central pressure had risen to 1,001 millibars. Faye is expected to either weaken into a depression or become post-tropical at some point on Saturday morning. Other than some gusty winds and a few minor flooding issues in poor drainage areas, no major impacts are expected across New England. The rest of the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico remains rather quiet. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Xtreme video. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. Bill Murray will have our next video out on Sunday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.